Welcome back guys, Killswitch here, and here's part 1 of Saturday Fall. This was a 5-on-5 game and I'm using my buddy's L86. Anyways, enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Killswitch out.
Is there revives?
Yeah, no revive until I got the back.
Okay, coming up.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got him. Coming back to ya. Coming in. Here, I'll cover this angle here if you want. Sorry.
This is awesome.
Oh, I know. So happy we're able to use this now. Fuck.
Guys,
Yeah, he's moving up. This is pretty fucking sweet.
use the chair as fucking shield.
I know, it's like finally we can use it.
This provides us cover support.
What?
Gunsons is about to fucking die.
The guy that's standing up.
It's shot once.
Did you get a card taken?
Nope.
Okay, then you're good then. Okay, well, what with those? We'll go through here, up to the building, alright? Okay, let's go. Cover my 3, alright?
Mhm.
Let's go. Nice and easy.
Out! Battery died.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Can't do anything. Battery died.
Oh, hit! Hit! Go, go. Kyle! Blue bunker! Double stack on your right! Suppressing, go, go, go! Aggro on me, go, go, go! What's your left? So,
12 o'clock over there.
yeah.
Guy behind the 2 barrels.
Out of ammo? Fuck. Okay, just do me, bud.
Yeah. What's that? Can you get me forward? Cover me? I'm gonna go.
Oh, watch it. This guy's straight right there.
Okay, thank you.
We got the right covered.
I don't see him on the left.
I'm just gonna call it hit. Oh man. Oh. Go, 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 go. That kill, bitch. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, my first snipe kill. Oh shit. For me, boys, too bad.